guys, welcome. Oh, a little bit too excited. Okay, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to be cute. I want to look cute. I haven't looked cute in a minute. I feel like I haven't got ready in like a week and a half. So I want to do my makeup. I want to do my hair, put on a nice top, take some pictures today. I don't really have nothing planned. Outside is it's like very gloomy. I haven't done my makeup in a while, so I'm gonna do my makeup today. I'm gonna show you guys little bits and pieces because y'all don't be watching my makeup videos like that, so I'm not gonna make this like a drag out type of thing. But it's like a 3-in-1. Yeah, hopefully I can put a nice outfit together. I already put on my base, my concealer. I put on my primer already. As you can see, I do have some dark spots, so I'm gonna go ahead and color correct that. And I'm gonna put my wig on first because I'm gonna have this a 2-part just because I have to do 2 videos for this hair company. So I'm gonna put the wig on and then I will do the second part of the second video, which will go up 2 days after this one, will be the second part of the look. I think that would be a good idea. I'm not sure. The wig I'm gonna be wearing today is from Beautyforeverhair. So this is their packaging. It's all beat up. I just wanted to save it. So Beautyforeverhair today, this is their highlighted wig. I tried doing a bob wig last time with the last highlighted wig. It was supposed to be a closure, but then it was like a fake closure type of thing. I thought it was this wig, but it's not. This one is actually highlighted one. There's more highlights and it's a frontal. It has some dots because I put some lace tint on it, so I'm just waiting for the lace tint to dry and then I'm gonna install it like regular. So far I really like the hair. It's very flat. I can run my hand through it really easily. It's not shedding so far, so that's good. I'm gonna just put it on and then I'm gonna start my makeup. I'm not gonna talk on the install process just because I feel like we have the hang of it now and I don't really have to explain anything, or like I don't really have any commentary for that portion. So I'm gonna play some music and just fast forward it and then I'll be right back.
Say you love me, turn around and play me, yeah. I think it's kind of funny. You say things you do me, underestimate me, yeah. I have always done right by you. Said you're never gonna lie, like she gon' come around full cycle. I'll flip the script on you. Tell me why you mad, tell me why you mad. Bet you didn't think that the tables will turn. You gon' fuck around and I'ma do the same, yeah. How you like to come up, how you like to come up. That's just fair play. Now I got your attention. Let me ask the question. Did you learn the lesson? Did it go for your brain? Now that we're confessing, I thought we were destined. You were Mrs. Right, but you were looking other ways. I have always done right by you. Said you're never gonna lie, like she gon' come around full cycle. I'll flip the script on you. Tell me why you mad, tell me why you hurt. Bet you didn't think that the tables would turn. You gon' fuck around, I'ma do the same, yeah. How you like to come up, how you like to come up. That's just fair. What goes around comes back around. Guess you wasn't ready for everything. What goes around comes back around. Guess you wasn't ready for that. Tell me why you mad. Tell me why you hurt, yeah. The table ain't turned. You gon' fuck around. Come on, how you let it come on? That's just fair play. That's just fair play. That's just fair play.
It's so hard. This is for my lady and my fella Sue. She's not a ghost you. Oh, the way that you move on my thing, girl, it feels so good. Today, girl, tonight or tomorrow, I love you. Calling out my name from me, girl. And I know that you lost for me, girl. Can't be all alone, come around for the night. You got my attention, circle down for the night. You can come and I'll be all yours for the night. You don't have to worry, I'll hold you tonight. Says she want banana, then her arms get big like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palava. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold you. Know your night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. Know the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder. Baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow. Wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can mind me, I'll be poppy. Put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason I'll hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand and I'll show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard thing, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve and we straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple. Oh yeah, yeah. Says she want banana, then her arms get big like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palava. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold you. Know your night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. Know the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder, yeah.
Did you learn to